미래엔영어 동시통역 발표회. Hello everyone, my name is Ihayer. Today I'm going to talk about cough. Cough. It's easy to catch a cold during the freezing winter days. If you catch a cold, you will cough a lot. Severe coughing, you can give a headache. You won't sleep well at night either. So what can you do when you cough a lot? Of course, you can take medicine to stop coughing. But if you don't like to take medicine, try eating a teaspoon of honey before you go to bed. Drink tea with honey is good too. It will be good for your cough and it will help you sleep well. For me, when I have a cough, I like to drink warm milk with honey. My mom makes it for me and me feel better right away. I also try to wear a mask when I go outside in the cold. So if you have a cough, remember these tips. Stay warm, drink some tea with honey, and take good care of yourself. Thank you for listening.